Welcome back, everyone. Looking at the 2018 Can-Am Spyder F3s. Posted a video on this earlier, a few weeks ago. Just bought the bike. We have gone back to Midwest Performance and Power in Keokuk. Jason and Lonnie up there did an excellent job at installing this brand new windshield. It is the Route 129. It's the lowest windshield you can get other than the instrument cowling that just does absolutely nothing but cover the instrument. Goes right over top of here. It's tinted. But this is the Route 129. It's 15 and a half inches tall. The next size up is, I think it's called a Route 136. It's 21 inches tall. Gives you a little bit higher protection. This is basically for your lower body. When you're sitting on the bike, your head, your eyes will be looking over the windshield, and approximately 2 or 3 feet in front of it, in front of the bike, you can look right through the windshield. But for the most part, you're going to be looking over the top. It does knock that wind off your chest and your lower body. I think it gives a much nicer ride. I don't feel like I'm hanging on to the grips as hard as I was before without the windshield. Took a ride down to Alton, Illinois yesterday with the wife on the back. Very pleasant, beautiful ride. If you've never been down the Illinois side, down Highway 96 and 100, pretty ride. Alton, Illinois is straight across from St. Louis, Missouri. I think the windshield gives the bike still keeps a sporty look for it. Taller windshields, I think, in my opinion, would go better with some of the touring models. But that's the Route 129. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'll do my best to answer them for you. Thanks for watching the video. Hit that like and subscribe button. Have a great day.